Got the long tubes all installed, you know, but problems of buying an auction vehicle. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get this off. Nah, maybe I should loosen that, but we'll see it in a second. That's where a sway bar end link should be, and it's not here. Did not remove it. The other side is broken in half. The bottom half is missing, but top half is in there, but broken. Brakes are on straight metal. Ah, man. Nope. Oh, cool. That comes off. There you go. Pads are kind of shot, you know? A little bit, whatever. All of them. So, yeah. There's your warning for buying auction cars and not looking. Besides that, thing runs perfect. Everything works, but, you know, some little shit. I don't know how the sway bar links are not here. Kind of makes sense, but I guess, you know, now we'll go back to the long tubes. Whoa. Speed Engineering cold air intake. Long tubes installed. Pretty easy to do. The one thing, if you look at their website though, it doesn't actually say this is for the 6.2, which they do bolts up. I wonder if you can see right about there. That one band clamp right there, I had to buy from Summit Racing because where it goes, it doesn't actually just bolt right up. None of the other pieces fit. Get up under it. So I had to buy that band clamp because the only other ones are 3-inch. This flex pipe's kind of flexed. So I ended up modifying this though later with a cutout and everything. But, I mean, fits all good. Got a place for a wide band in the middle. Just tucked up nice, no rattling, no nothing. Sounds good. This is through a stock muffler and resonator. But they will be getting changed to the SLP because right now it kind of sounds stupid. But you'll see, have the exhaust clip, and then I think the SLP tip that will delete the resonator comes in a couple days, and we'll do that and see how it goes, or how it sounds at least. But good product, nice and cheap. Big ass intake, way bigger than the stock one, and it's definitely faster than factory untuned right now, but get that tuned eventually. SLP tips, a little dirty, but they're not lying, it doesn't fit, but one of the adapters it comes with through the Speed Engineering Longtubes, it does fit. So, guess we'll set it up.